Bit optimization is found in the optimization section of the carving tab. When a pattern is placed on the board, the bit will essentially try to put the tip of the bit at each point of the pattern. Bit optimization allows you to be able to set how much interference that bit is allowed to do to the surrounding geometry. So if we put bit optimization on best, you'll notice that the pattern becomes much more full, less hollow-like effect. We switch that off again so you can see. Looking at the icon, you can kind of see the effect that bit optimization is basically having here. Now, most things that you're going to do, you're going to set bit optimization to best. The reason that this is not set there by default is that bit optimization does apply that bit to every pixel in a pattern. So as you get to larger projects, this does become time consuming. So generally you're going to want to set your bit optimization up at the end of the project. And this is bit optimization.